Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. Tonight we got Monterey chicken sandwiches on the Blackstone. This should be a simple, easy, quick recipe. I'm just throwing on the Blackstone real quick. What we need, chicken breast that, like our video we just did for our chicken parmesan, slice in half, pound thin, and then we'll season it up here. We're seasoning with some Tex-Mex from Hardcore Carnivore and some garlic powder. One whole white onion that I've diced up or sliced up, and one cubanelle pepper that I've sliced up. We could use green or red bell peppers, but we like cubanelles here. Some bread for the sandwich, butter, and some SPG for salt, pepper, garlic. Here we go, outside we go. We'll go ahead and get everything ready. But I get a lot of questions about Michael and where we get the M-A-I-C-O-L. That's how my mother used to spell it, and my father spells it M-I-C-H-A-E-L, but that's why it's Michael's Kitchen. So we get all those questions, and now you know. Now you know, the more you know. So we got our chicken breast that I told you we split in half and pounded out. And I'm gonna go ahead and get them seasoned up with some garlic powder, of course both sides, and some Tex-Mex Hardcore Carnivore, which has got a citrus blend to it. I love the color it gives. We use a lot of this on our steaks. And then flip and repeat. We'll let this tack up as we preheat our Blackstone. See you guys outside. We're outside and we're ready to go. First things first, we'll coat the Blackstone with some avocado oil, and we'll get our veggies on and get them a quick sear. The peppers, the onions, some butter, and of course, some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. This time I'm using Kinder's. Do a nice little saute and get some color on them, and then we're on for our next steps. I've got some mayonnaise lined rolls. Get them on there, get them nice and toasty. That'll be our base for our Monterey chicken sandwiches. Make sure you toss frequently. Get some good caramelization on there. We're almost there on the color of the onion, so I'm going to get them out into the warmer zone. And then I'll add some more avocado oil. And get that on there. And get my chicken on there. We've been going to it about 2.5 minutes, and that's the color we're after. That looks good, no? Mm-hmm. The onions and peppers got the color I'm after, so I'm gonna get them to a warmer spot on the griddle. And when I need them again, I'll bring them out to the party. And a couple more minutes on the other side, we'll flip. That's the color we're after. And now we'll go ahead and add in our, which I failed to mention earlier, our Munster cheese. Then we'll add our onions and peppers to the top. Move my breads out of the way. And cover up to melt the cheese. Masterpiece is done. And we'll go ahead and get our breads ready. Make sure we got the bottoms. And I'll take one of these and serve onto the bread. Fix that in a second. And another one onto the bread. We're about ready to eat, guys. We are back inside, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I would like to do to the next steps. I'll grab the one I want. Get some mayonnaise on here. And then top it off. Do a nice little slice in half. That's because you guys are watching. If not, I'd go right in. Look at that cross section. And it's still a little warm. The onions, the couple peppers, the toasted bread, the cheese. What was that? 5-6 minutes? It took longer because we're recording. That's a winner, guys. I could have put bacon on there. I could have done hot sauce on there. I could have done spicy seasonings. So many options, but quick use of the Blackstone. If you like this video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything else you want us to try or make. And subscribe for more. That said,
a buen tiempo.
a buen tiempo, guys. See you guys soon.